Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's not gonna be an introduction about myself. I lied in another video, so like we're gonna be eating. My name's Addie, if you know. This is what we're gonna be eating. Tteoboki. It's a Korean dish. You know, we're gonna cook it. It's hot. It is hot chicken and carbonara flavored tteoboki. It's from the Asian store. And the instructions are right there. So we're gonna open it and try it. It is 10 in the morning. I woke up at 8. And then I clean. And then I eat. So we're gonna try it. I never ate it before. I never ate it before. So the lid comes off like that. This is seasoning. It's a powder consistency. Did you hear it? Yeah. Okay, this is the rice cake. This is, I know it's not. It says this rice cake is an American. It's a rice cake, then tteoboki, you know? And here is, it's very light seasoning, or like saucy. Then it's empty, so you get 3 different types of stuff. And it says right here, 4, I think it's gonna be backwards when I post this, but it's gonna be, it's 400 calories, like that's a lot. That's a lot. So we're gonna cook it. So let's see first. Do I put in these stuff first in here? Yeah. Okay. So first, we're gonna put like rice cakes. Hold on. Okay, so you have a recipe. This is not a song. It says do not eat. It's backwards. Okay. Let me show you guys. Here it is. Why is my lens dirty? The tteoboki, and then we're gonna put it in there. And then, do I put these two next? Do I put these two? Next, we're gonna put the sauce. I cannot open it. Right here, tteoboki. Oh, so we're gonna. Where's the freaking slit? There's no slit in opening this? Where? Okay. Open it.
That's spicy mayo.
Oh, almost fell. Okay, we're gonna show you now. Okay. I dropped some of it. Wow. Wow. We should get all of it in there. Okay. And you put your trash. And then, oh my god, I have some on my hand. And then we're gonna put the sauce. Okay. White. It's white. Do I mix it? Yeah. Okay, let me put it away. I mix it before I put it in my plate. We are gonna get by the way, never tried this before, and I got the metal chopstick. Boop, 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 boop. So we're gonna mix it. Looks like that. Mix it. It's so dry.
Did you put water?
No.
Okay, why are you supposed to put water?
Oh. It's supposed to put water. How much?
Then fill one.
Oh, okay. I did not read the instructions. Look at that. You're not supposed to eat it. You're gonna get water. And there's a line to fill it up to. That one. So I'm gonna fill it up to the line. I got enough water, and this is what it is. I'm gonna mix it and then show you guys. It's like, I never tried this, but yeah. Am I doing this something? Why does it look like that? Guys, it's supposed to be like
Because you try to mix it before adding water.
let me just microwave it. Then, guys, it says microwave for. Oh no! Sorry. Microwave for 3 minutes, and then it says you're not supposed to pour the powder.
You told me to. I did that last time.
It says pour the sauce, and then at the end you pour the powder.
The same thing.
No, it's not. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. What's the lid or without? With it?
Take out the cardboard too.
No. Good. Taking this out. Use the lid. So we're gonna go to the microwave. This is the microwave. You put it in there, and then you put the lid on like that, and then you close it as you see it in there, and put this. It's gonna be, hold on guys, it's gonna be 3 minutes of it, and then while wait, you throw away your trash. the trash, so I'm gonna go throw it away. Yeah. Right here, guys. Yeah, it's transition. Do the trash and I throw it away. And now we wait. And in another video, we are gonna have a video of all my Sanrio collection. There's lots, you know. So my favorite stuff are Sanrio. There's a picture, Bibble, K-pop, and like this. New jeans too. Like, of course, new jeans. And then this video is already 11 minutes. I'm gonna wait until the thing's done. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. It's done. I washed these again. So we're gonna try it. So let's open it. It's very hot. And then it says after you put the powder. Oh, sorry guys. Okay guys, sorry guys, there was an inconvenience. Look at my chopsticks. There's a little, it's a little like faded at the end. And then the rest is like black. You know, so we're gonna open it. I'm gonna show you guys. 3, 2, 1. It looks like that. You have to actually get it. You know, you have to actually get it. And put you guys closer. We're gonna find it. So we're gonna have this as my plate. We're gonna try it. So we're gonna mix this some more. Make sure this looks all good. It looks like you see that steam. That steam. It looks like this. It looks very small, so we're gonna try it. You gotta get it with the soup. I don't know how spicy the exact brand, but here's the flavor. And then you have a little more taste to get like the taste of it. Let me taste the soup. I like the spice. Some of them are connected like this, which is good. So now we're gonna in 3, and I'm gonna take my time at this video and enjoy my food. But my rating is a solid 10 out of 10. Right there. Right there. The flavor and my rating is right there. And then it is Korean food. I found it at an Asian supermarket. Right there, it's gonna be right there, the name. So yeah, I give this a good 10 out of 10. Yeah, a 10 out of 10. Bye now.